Hi my friends, you are all welcome to my YouTube channel on today. I have able to create another video for you specifying how to select a high pressure water gun. High pressure water gun. Do you know that we are used to use your clean your cars, household and other things that spray high pressure water to the cleaning surface and use that water pressure to clean the surfaces as you known as high pressure water guns. There are several high pressure water guns in the market. Now I am unboxing and specifying reviewing that an electrical portable high pressure water gun that can be used to clean your cars, tires, and other household things that rust dirt on their surfaces. Let's begin with that. Right, this is the what high pressure water gun that I am going to unbox today. Its branded name is Workman, and this is a China-based company that made uh, high pressure water guns for the market. You can see how it comes. It comes with user manual and in compact simple box like this. When you come to this high pressure water gun is a delivering your output pressure of 100 bar. 100 bar, the pressure of the output nozzle of the water that hit the clearing surface. This is the water gun part that has the operation unit that has the gun part, and these are the separate parts. And I mentioned that it is equal to about 1400 psi uh, in square pressure for square inch. As it will be psi means square for square inch like that. Most of the American and European standard, the pressure of the water gun was mentioned in psi. On that occasion, 100 bar equals to 1400 psi. In the upcoming uh, in photo, I will show you what are the ranges of the high pressure water guns that available in the market. Now I am showing this is a 1400 psi high pressure water gun. It is about 1100 bar pressure outlet. Mainly the electrical water guns can produce. These are the details of the pressure guns that available in the market. Consumer pressure guns are there. There are semi-professional water guns were there, and professional water guns were there. These are three types as can be seen in the market. Professional consumer water guns are the water guns that work with the electrical current and motors pressure in the water to achieve a high pressure. And personal water guns are the guns that uh, powered by mechanical engines such like diesel power and petrol powered engine. And if you are going to use it for an professional work such as construction, washing works and vehicle, if you work in a vehicle service center, all the time the compressor water gun should be working for more than 8 to 16 hours, 8 hours to 24 hours. Sometimes it is better to use the semi pressure or professional water gun because they can be maintained and serviced and reused. But if you use a consumable pressure gun that work from electricity power, they only had a work life hour of more than I can say about 1000 hours of lifetime or something like close to that, because the electrical motors will burn up their brushes according to the usage of the water pump, such as that way. When you are going to use a consumer or high pressure water gun such like this, it is advisable to use the water gun in a cut-off period such as 15-minute intervals. You have to stop the pressure gun for a certain amount of time to cool down the motor. If you use it continuously without stopping the water gun, electrical water guns for more than 13 minutes to 1 hour, that means the motor will heat up and it will cause to decay the electrical motor brushes. Then that means the user hours might be reduced more than expected. So it is advisable you to use the consumable electrical high pressure water guns in a stopping periods, in the period manner, close to 15 minutes to 15 minutes. You can use it on that way. It will expand the lifetime of your high pressure water gun. It is normal for more high pressure water guns that been situated in the market. Right, electrical high pressure water gun, but also this is the water guns part, and it comes with two parts on that gun. You can extend the length of the output by using these two parts. If you can use only the output nozzle for the gun, or you can use the extra part for the middle one, and it will let the length longer than the using one parts on there. You can see this green knob is the locking mechanism of this part, and it will fix into that one without leaking water. So I was mentioning that if you want to buy a high pressure water gun to clean floors, roof calicots and concrete, such as like things, you will use better to buy a professional high pressure water guns that runs with, this is the output nozzle. You can see, if you rotate this output there, you can change the output water way. It is going from semi-circle to flat water outlet. So on that one, right, this is the water gun that act as the stopping. It has the stopping mechanisms, and you can get this output part. These are locking parts that will lock into the gun such a way like this, and you can see, you can put this one, you see the grooves inside of this gun that run the locking parts. I have mentioned you that if you want to work on professional work such as I mentioned, as clearing floors, roofs, concrete, muds and other things, if you better use a more high pressure, can be a high pressured mechanical water pressure guns to be used for your work. It will be suitable for your works. Alright, I have fixed this one like that way, and you have to rotate to lock in place, then it will not be, it will not come out. Right, this is the water gun, and it is the length is 2 feet long, and it is approximately 1 meter, close to 1 meter length, and you can have output of 1 meter from your hand. And this is the place where the high pressure output pipe fixed into here, and this is the high pressure pipe. Has a 5 meter extension pipe. It is able to withstand 200 water pressure. It is easy to fix this one. You just get this nozzle and fix into that input nozzle, and it will automatically lock itself in there. You can see this is how it's done. It is easy. Anyone who used to buy this type of high water pressure guns, you can use that one in such a way. You can see I have fixed it and it will firmly fixed there, and if you push this green knob in there, you can see indicated as the gun, as in the gun. If you push this one in this way, it is easily come out. It is easy to service and maintain this one. I has explained you that the lifetime of these consumable electrical water guns has more than close to 1,000 hours or more, and then you will be not able to go with them. This is the inside of the high pressure water gun. You can see the inlet water comes from B and it goes out through a piston systems and comes out to from the C pressure out pipe into the gun. Let's look inside how the mechanism work inside of this water pressure gun. I had opened an water pressure gun inside. This is the switching mechanism with wires and condenser attached. That one is the motor, and you can see this is this white part is the inlet, right? This is the pumping mechanism of this high pressure gun. You can see these are knobs going into these piston type knobs goes into rubber washers. In this one you can see 3 rubber washers is going through the knobs. It works as a cylindric way. These are the water seal that use copper water seals that used to seal the water without flowing out of the piston. These are 3 pistons that work with the motor. I'm showing this is the water that these are the using to protect the water from going into the motor. Now this is the other 3 pistons. You can see how it just working when I rotate the outer. Can you see it? Oh, can you see that? It comes up and go down like that way. It's working like a cylinder into that 3 knobs. I will show you in the inside. This in the black rubber knobs inside of the mechanism that has 3 rubber knobs in the. It is work as a non-return valve system with the one piston and a non-return valve system. Alright, in the next video I will show you how just it work in the inside of the non-return valve system. You can see when I rotate this motor, it goes come up and down like that way. This is the inside of the non-return valve system. When the piston pushes the water, it will not come back. When it is rotate in a high speed, this piston works in a high speed way. So it's it creates the 100 bar pressure output of this pressure gun. You can see this is the non-return that stays in there. In this video we are trying to clean this non-return systems and the motor that has some troubles in the high pressure gun. Most of the electrical high pressure gun water guns work in such a way, in this way. You can see the non-return valve that way. This is the systems that work with that. Right. Now I think you will have an idea how this high pressure water guns works in the inside of in the motor. If you have some troubles with the motor, please send it to a professional electrician or a motor mechanic to you can clean this one inside with that. You can see this is the motor and motor output of the this green knob is the thing that lock the high pressure outlet. See, this is how all the fixation. This the wire cord is about 5 meters long. You can fix the plug into a wall and you can extend it for 5 meters. And this is the input side of the high pressure water gun motor. Is sealed with a plastic knob. You can pull it out like that way, and you have the filter included input knob that you can fix the rubber piping to this input. It consists with a small filter that block the blocks dirt going into the pump. That if you use without this, this is how this motor in a working state. We have created a box in there. You can see how much pressure it has. I think this video and the details that I have explained to you will be providing you a good idea when you are buying a high pressure water gun. You will help. I think this information will be helpful to you. This water gun works into 220 240 voltage, and it is about a 1000 watt power it consumed to work. You can see how much pressure is contained. And that's all for my video on today. And I think you had learned something out of this video. And if you had learned something out of this video, please make a subscribe for my channel, and it will help me to create more such like videos, technical and other videos in the future. And thanks for being with me. This video is made as a public service for you all. I think I am successful in that one. Thank you for being with me. Thank you again, and wish you all the best day and great day for you all. Thank you.